Welcome to Wondrous Millionaires, where we help you unlock the secrets to entrepreneurial success. I'm Molly, and today we are diving into the 8 crucial things you need to know when starting a business. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just getting started on your journey to wealth, these tips will set you on the right path. So, let's get started. 1. Identify your passion. Building a successful business starts with passion. Find something you love and turn it into a profitable venture. Passion will drive you through the inevitable challenges. 2. Market research is key. Before diving in, conduct thorough market research. Understand your target audience, competitors, and industry trends to identify opportunities and gaps in the market. 3. Create a solid business plan. A well-thought-out business plan serves as your roadmap to success. Outline your goals, strategies, financial projections, and timeline to keep you focused and on track. 4. Build a strong network. Surround yourself with mentors, advisors, and like-minded entrepreneurs who can offer guidance, support, and valuable connections. Networking is essential for growth and success. 5. Focus on customer satisfaction. Your customers are the lifeblood of your business. Prioritize their needs, listen to their feedback, and deliver exceptional products or services to build loyalty and drive repeat business. 6. Embrace innovation. In today's fast-paced world, innovation is key to staying ahead of the competition. Be open to new ideas, technologies, and trends that can help you improve and evolve your business. 7. Master the art of marketing. Effective marketing is essential for attracting customers and driving sales. Experiment with different strategies, from social media and content marketing to email campaigns and influencer partnerships. 8. Maintain financial discipline. Keep a close eye on your finances from day one. Track your expenses, manage cash flow, and invest wisely to ensure long-term sustainability and profitability. And there you have it, folks, 8 crucial things to know when starting a business. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with passion, determination, and the right strategies, you can turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. As a reward for sticking around all the way to the end, you've earned a bonus point 9. Don't worry about the legal part in the beginning, you will figure it out as you grow. Legal and finance are both important in the long run, but to be honest, you need to worry about any of that at the beginning. Most people don't start a business because they have the belief that they have to go through so much paperwork that it's better to just quit before even getting started. You should try out your business idea first, experiment with it, see if you can get anyone interested. Connect with us for more insights and tips on building wealth. Until next time, stay inspired and keep chasing your dreams. This is Molly signing off from Wondrous Millionaires. See you soon.